All right, Saturday the 22nd of March, 2025. Just out here in the hood. We got Killer B rocking the Lucky Les machine number 3. That's right. She's up there on the bike. And she's in Bull Low. That's right, Bull Low, first gear in the basement. But I think she's having fun. And she has a tough time on the transmission in the car. So hopefully this will enable her to understand gears a little better, because I'm not a good explainer. But I think she's got a big smile on her face. I do believe. What a beautiful girl. Oh, you're pretty, baby. Nice, nice, nice. You like it?
Yeah, I'm not shifting the gear though, because
That's okay. When you're driving it, you take this hand, put that hand back on there, and right here, baby, can you feel that?
Yeah.
When you're pedaling, you have to be pedaling.
Okay. So switching it.
Pull it once
Okay.
when you're pedaling.
Yeah.
And that'll put it into second gear.
Oh yeah.
If you want to put it back into first,
This one.
that one goes down,
Yeah.
this one goes up.
Oh.
And you look at the sprocket back here,
Yeah.
see the chain is on the big one?
Okay, let me see. Let me check.
Yeah, you pull this one up when you're pedaling,
Okay, okay.
and you'll go into second gear.
Let me try. Let me try. Oops.
Oh yeah, baby.
The kids over there. What are you doing?
You're pedaling a bike.
I'm holding a bag.
Yeah, hopefully she gets it. I don't know. It's a tough one, you know. But you just gotta know where she come from, and she come from a house with a dirt floor. So, mom and dad didn't have a car or a truck or a motorcycle. And that's just the way it is in the Phils, man. Her father still has a dirt floor. But yeah, never drove a vehicle in his life, I don't think. Passenger in a jeepney or a bus, but why have a vehicle if you don't have to? You know what I'm saying? We got the internet guy over here, maybe. I don't know where Killer B got to, but she's over there pedaling her ass off, which is a good thing. Because I've been doing it the last couple of days, and I don't mind it. I don't. But I haven't gone very far, and I don't plan on it. I just plan on staying in this hood here. It's got some ups and downs. You can see the grade difference over there. It's going up. And it's all good. It is, it is, it is. The pool's coming along nicely. You know, they're gaining on her every day. Look at that. Wow, I was going to say, those are like 2-foot square tiles. But they've laid quite a bit since yesterday. I did have a peek at it yesterday. Yeah, that corner over there, you don't want to live in. Fucking dogs. But the same for my fucking corner too. You don't want to live in that because of fucking dogs. So where'd the Killer Bee get off to? Yeah, she's out of sight. She's gone for miles and miles, which is good. I hope she gets the gear part of it, like switching up and switching down. I'm not a good instructor, I'm really not. But we did get her so professional driving instructing lessons. Nonetheless, she didn't grow up with all the stuff most Westerners grew up with. She used to braid the hair on the corn and the cob like a Barbie doll. That was her Barbie doll, the corn and the cob. So, oh no, that's not her. Somebody comes zooming up. Yeah, maybe she's just gonna do a couple laps around Camilla Homes. You got the bikers. All right. I just got my Amazon stop leak engine coolant sealer head gasket repair in a bottle, and it come in a cardboard box and a bag, and it had exploded. It did in the packaging. But I'm gonna see what Amazon's gonna do for me. It looks like she's coming back, so she's made it. Yeah. Nice. Oh, she's avoiding me. See that? Now she's avoiding me. Okay. I'm gonna play that game with her, I guess. Absolutely. Looks like I got her zoomed in. How do I zoom it out? I don't know. There, that's regular, I think. Look at her. Wow, she's fast. Fast, but not furious. Bring her this way, baby. What gear are you in? Hey?
When I go up, I turn to second and first.
Okay, try first, second, third, and fourth. Going this way. Up and down. Yeah, right now you're in first gear. You're right. Good girl. That's awesome, baby. You feel the difference when you pedal, when you change gears?
Yeah.
Well,
I'll go turn around.
you got 8 gears to play with, so see second, third, fourth.
Yeah.
Go up, go down.
It's nice if we go together.
Yeah.
I'm talking.
Right on, baby. Oh, right on. So you understand going up and down. Good. Try second, third gear. It's easy in first gear, right? That a girl. You got to pedal, baby. That a girl. All right. Cruising right along. Yeah, this is our little hood. It's where we throw all our debris, leaves and whatnot. Things like that, as they say. Look at this little dog. Here's another one on a 2-foot leash. But he's out of his box, he is. And yeah, we got bikers all over the place here. Those guys are Indians from India, probably doctors or nurses or something. Here's a nice corner home, kind of. Single, detached. Not bad. I like how it's got all the windows. Our place is not properly ventilated. Absolutely not. So Killer B is doing a U-turn and coming back. This one here looks empty. There's a lot of empty ones here. Like, we're paying $10,500 for ours. 10,500 pesos. $210, I think. You get it, baby?
Yeah, I'm in fourth gear right now.
Yeah, and you can start off in fourth gear, no problem?
Yeah.
You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are in fourth gear, baby. See how it's harder to start? Harder to pedal when you start?
Yep.
Versus first gear?
Yeah.
Like in first gear, you can only go so fast.
Right.
You go faster as the gears go up.
Yep.
Nice. We're going to buy another one, and you and I are going to go riding together.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Right on.
Okay.
Go for a cruise.
Go for a cruise.
Yeah. Nice. Or if you don't want to ride it, just go park it, baby.
Oh, you can ride. I will film you also.
Well, I'm going to go for like a half-hour ride.
Sure.
But if you want to play with it, you play with it. We'll get another one.
We'll get another one.
We will.
changed the lower gear.
Good girl. It's easier, right? Yeah, she's a quick learner, so that's good. But we got the coconuts up in the trees there. Banana trees all over the place here. And yeah, this is Saturday for us. Killer Bee's day off. She's been busy. She's been cooking, doing laundry. Making potatoes and corns. And grabbing the laundry from the rain so it doesn't get wet. Now she's on the Lucky Less machine number 3. She is. Because I'm hoping that'll help her understand the gears a little better. Well, we got more company at the house, another package. Somebody on a motorcycle out there. But he's not at our house, he's at the neighbor's house. Now I've been hit by a couple raindrops as I'm walking around right now. So I might just have to say enough's enough and head her in. So what do you know? Yeah, it's starting to rain. There's the barbecue. And she's coming down out there. Killer Bee's gonna get wet. There she is. You gonna bring her in, baby? Yeah, I think she's gonna bring her in. Out of the rain. Right on.
It's heavy.
Heavy, she says, it's heavy. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you don't mind. All right, thanks, over and out. Bye for now.